we're going to go to rooftop menu. We'll see where to go to from here. So network integration, and then it's going to go network setup wizard, and then you want to go to next. Once you go to next, it's going to say right up here, network setup wizard. It comes factory with wired thermostat. Okay. So if someone has come in here and changed any of these, this is one of the things that needs to be checked, because there was a couple of phone calls that this was the very answer of what went wrong. But let's talk about setup right here on standalone RTU. You can actually run it off the return air sensor, and you can set it for 70. You can put it occupied. But what happens is every time you change a setting here, it opens up a new set of parameters for you to set. Okay, generally, once you wire thermostat, you hook it up. If there's nothing fancy, you're pretty much done. Once we select this and we go to next, the network mode is going to tell you I'm in wired thermostat. So once we get to the wired thermostat and once we hit finish, now it should take a regular thermostat.